Yeah, everyone, this is a basic arrangement of Alleluia, but you can see here, basic notation skills definitely recommended. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get comfortable, get your warm-up in, and then you're going to look at the C chord to A minor. So we have, go slower if you need. Now we need to talk about the A minor chord. Many players 5-finger 4 like that. However, some wonderful, amazing, talented players also play 5, 3rd, E, A. So you need to do what you're comfortable with. Some of you might say, well, it has to be the 5 and 4. Many sources say that, and many sources say 5 and 3. So what does it come down to? You got to be comfortable. I notice when I'm playing, I bring my hand in a little bit, so I'm nice and relaxed. I have to constantly tell my arm and elbows to be relaxed, so I can support my sound. So you want to go back and forth, nice and relaxed. Yes, I say relax a lot. All right, so now we are going to try the A minor to C to G. So we have A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to C, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the G. And now we're going to try the F, G, E major and A minor chord. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the E down here, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the A minor, 2. All right, let's take a quick look at the music. All right, what we got going on here, this is exactly what you'll see in the play along. I have a link. If you choose to support the channel, you can get a copy for yourself. We have the click off, 6 counts per measure, and then everything here is what you'll see on the screen as well. And then we have some accompaniment here. That's right, you're going to be accompanying one of the instruments playing the melody, and then you have the melody here. The font's pretty big, it's in 2 pages, so you're good to go. All right, get to that play along. Hey, listen, if you like this, you need to check out this video because it's going to help you with 6/8 time. The video is right here. Check it out. I'll see everyone next time. Happy music making. Here, how is everyone doing? So today we are going to be working on an easy version of Alleluia. However, the left hand doesn't make it that easy. So we're going to work on some progressions and talk about some goal setting exercises. Guess what else is in the video? Am I improvising? I am. That's cool, right? You all right with that? Kind of